If you think making money is possible only when you're working 9 to 6, I'm here to tell you that's not the whole truth. There are bloggers, there are people who are actually making money by following their passion, and they are doing with the help of blogging and affiliate marketing. And today I'm here to tell you all about affiliate marketing. Well, hello guys, welcome to this new series of affiliate marketing by ShoutMeLoud, in which I'm going to help you understand everything about affiliate marketing. This is the first video of the series where I'm going to help you understand what affiliate marketing is. So let's get started. Well, affiliate marketing is one of the oldest form of digital marketing where you basically promote a product, and when a user purchases the product, you get a commission. And this is one model that has been highly utilized by bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters to make a living. I'm a sole example of doing this from last 10 years. 10 years back when I started ShoutMeLoud, I discovered something called affiliate marketing. I can actually talk about certain product. When people buy those products, I get commission out of it. And I was like, okay, this is something that the world should know. And that's where ShoutMeLoud started talking about affiliate marketing. Now I'm bringing everything on YouTube so that you also get to learn about affiliate marketing. Now, let's understand affiliate marketing with one basic example. So what happens when you're looking for a new flat to rent or to buy? You go to a property dealer or a real estate agent. Now, this real estate agent shows you a lot of properties, a lot of flats. And when you pick one, when you confirm that, oh, this is the flat I'm going to buy, then that's where they get commission. Now, this is the offline model of affiliate of the commission. Now bring the same model online, and that is what affiliate marketing is. Now the benefit is, since in online marketing, you are not limited to a particular space. If you have an internet and a laptop, you can start using affiliate marketing to build an empire. Now, here are a few things that you should know. Affiliate marketing is free to join for anyone and everyone. It doesn't matter which part of world you are from. What is your current situation? If you are 12-year-old or if you are 42-year-old, you can actually join affiliate marketing. All you need to do is find a product to promote. You need to have a marketing channel where you'll be promoting the product. That could be your blog, that could be your YouTube channel, that could be a podcast. You can also use PPC, email marketing, many other methods, which we will discuss in the upcoming videos. And now, when a user make a purchase by clicking on your affiliate link, you basically earn a commission. How cool is that? Well, this is the one model if you have never heard of, or if you're sitting at the sideline thinking like, should I be using affiliate marketing or not? Well, my friend, you should be. And in the upcoming part of this video, I'll actually help you understand how to start your affiliate marketing business and all the nitty-gritty of affiliate marketing. Now, to get started, you need to know about some of the affiliate marketing terminologies. Some of the basic things, the jargon, and I'll leave a link in the description which will help you to quickly go through all these terminologies. Should take about 3 to 4 minutes. You can find the link in the description, which is going to be a good starting point. Another thing that you can do is subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I publish the next part of this video series. And last but not the least, if you find this video useful and if you think you have a friend who is looking for a career change or who is in dire need of starting something of his own or her own, well, you can pass on this video to them. That will be really helpful. This is your host, Agrawal. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.